I find these policymakers are so afraid to be bold and so afraid to take the risk that I'm used to seeing business people take. Like this thing in New York, the vacant rent stabilized apartment inventory in New York has been a hot topic for a few years, since 2019. I mean, it killed the market. We talk about supply and demand. There's no more supply of affordable units in New York City because the property owners aren't renovating them and making them available. So for New York to say, you know what, we recognize that there's tens of thousands of units sitting there that could be rented, but they're not getting rented. We're going to throw $10 million at it. I mean, it's so wimpy, man. Great idea, but it's so wimpy. And then to like backpedal and be like, oh, well, it's just a test. The test is going to show you that 25 grand doesn't buy you a friggin' vanity cabinet and a faucet and paint and light fixtures. What you have to do is you have to make it $100,000 a unit. Instead of reimbursing the property owner, you have to advance it to them, lien their building if they're in violation or whatever the rules are that you set up. But you need capital. The flow of capital solves in part a lot of the problems. To do the lead abatement is $40,000 in these 2 and 3 bedroom apartments that are old from the 70s and 60s and 50s and earlier, some of them. And there's lead paint in there. You got to make it safe. And it's just $25,000 doesn't even get the lead abatement done.